global shipping and custom procedures. Hi everyone, I'm Robert Siva. I'll be talking to you all about international shipping. And how to ensure that all your shipments are cleared effectively and efficiently so that you will not have problems with customs whereby you need to pay more tax or your cost of product will increase due to demurrage and storage. So talking to you about goods that are coming into Malaysia have some classification codes to be used for each product. So each product has a classification code. Many companies don't understand that most of our duties and taxes are derived from these TC codes. TC codes can actually increase or decrease your taxes, by which I will be also talking about how duties and sales tax can be exempted when your product is basically too expensive due to taxes. You can actually apply exemptions to certain government departments, and I will be also touching on how to do the application for these exemptions. There are three main challenges that most importers and exporters face when they do custom clearance. Number one, they need to understand which custom ports they need to bring their goods. That will help them to reduce costs of freight or costs of transport when they send to their own companies. Number two, classification of goods using the right TC code, so that when you use the right TC code, you can actually reduce taxes or increase taxes. Number three, how to get duty exemptions or sales tax exemptions. These are three important factors that you need to understand so that it will be easy for you to do import-exports of any goods and services. Join me in my Q&A session on the 24th of May, 7 to 8 p.m. Thank you and see you all there. Bye.